Hello everyone, Justin here, and today I'm going to show you how to draw the Rolling Stones logo. So let's just start at the center of the top and draw a nice curve going outward, and we'll go ahead and continue this to the corner, and the curve starts to curve the other way all the way to the corner, and we'll stop right there. And let's draw the right side of the lip. Same thing, an upward curve, and try to match it up more or less symmetrically, and start curving outward to the corner. Alright, so next thing we're going to do is draw the lower part of the upper lip, and here we're going to draw a U-shape curve first, just like that, and start curving it downward to go to the bottom. So the width of the lip will start to taper a little bit narrower, as you see there, and this side the lip will be just a little bit wider because it's the side that's closer to us. And now let's find the center of the teeth and let's draw the teeth. So we'll draw a nice curve here for the one tooth and another curve for the tooth right next to it, and do the same thing on this side. Okay, so now that we have that done, we're just basically working our way from the top to the bottom. Next thing will be the tongue. So the top of the tongue starts right about here between these two teeth. So it's going to be a curve that goes out down to about right here, and it's roughly even with this side, this part of the upper lip. So we'll just go ahead and start drawing this curve here. So you want to try to keep this curve as smooth and fair as you can, and we'll go out to here. Alright, so now we'll go ahead and finish off this tongue, starting at the corner here. Let's see, it's going to go from there. Try to visualize the line a little bit, but we'll start from the bottom here just so we can continue that curve we already drew in, and all the way to that inner corner. Let's finish off the left side by drawing a short curved line there, and curve out the corner right here before you finish off the lower lip. And on the other side, again, we're gonna round off the corner slightly, and to do this lower lip, we're basically gonna draw a parallel line to the tongue here all the way down to right about there, and finish it off right there. Alright, so a couple more details. There's a line that goes down the middle of the tongue, and just another nice curve down to where my finger is. And there's a couple highlights on the tongue, and these are basically just long teardrop shapes, round off at the bottom and taper at the top. And there's another one that's a little bit bigger that's on this side, so we can go ahead and do that. Again, it's a tapered drop, and there's a little bit of a curve here, and then going back up. Alright, we're almost done with this. There's a couple more highlights, this time on the upper lip, and these are just oblong kind of rounded shapes, one on either side. Just draw those in, and that's pretty much the logo for the Rolling Stones. And you could just leave this just like this as a black and white line drawing, but it definitely makes it a lot more interesting if you do a couple more things, including varying the thickness of the line. So we'll start by outlining this again, except with a thicker Sharpie all the way around, and we'll go ahead and just leave the highlighted lines because they're kind of inside. with a thin line, but we'll just go all the way around here. We'll make this part a little bit thicker towards the bottom. Same with this. And here I didn't really mean to be off that far, but that's okay, because my plan was to make the bottom of the tongue, the outline, thicker, and I'm working on that right here, trying to make it thicker. And I'll just go ahead and start at the other side as well. Just the thickness of the Sharpie at first, but then it's gonna get wider, so I gotta go over this a few times. To me, the main focus of this logo is the tongue, so I'm gonna highlight that by making the outline, especially here towards the bottom, thicker and wider. Try to make the curve here as smooth as I can. Alright, I'll clean that up a little bit more later. So let's go ahead and work on this lower lip. I'm gonna make the line progressively get thicker towards the bottom and finish off some of these other outlines, including the upper lip here. And we'll also, of course, darken the inside of the mouth there and just blacken it with the Sharpie. Finish off the teeth. Let's blacken this right now. And we still got to work on the other side of the lip. Just make that all single width, thick width line. And finally the middle line here. This one will make it wider at the top. Again, the variation in width just makes it a lot more interesting. And finally, let's put in a cast shadow of the teeth projected onto the tongue. And that is the Rolling Stones logo. Fairly easy and simple. And we'll go ahead and color this in later. You could always just leave it as a plain black and white drawing. So thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to please like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you'll know when I upload more videos. Thanks and have a great day.